Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an Halloween special, that's why I'm dressed up like that. This is kind of a witch vibe. I just put on a dress that I own that is more like gothic, and I put my black wig on and I did some makeup, so I have this big mole. I put some green and white everywhere just to look sick, and I did some brown and black around the eyes. So this is the result. Kind of glad. I mean, I'm not gonna get in costume this year because you know why. So I'm happy to do that. That's the only opportunity that I'm gonna have this year to dress up. Today we are going to do some polymer clay. So I'm gonna do a little pumpkin and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So let's get to it. So first, let me show you what I use. So I use some parchment paper that I put on a cardboard. I'm gonna put some tape behind it just so it stays there. And I'm using, this is just paper that has been plastified. Same thing here. Then I have this roller that I took from, I have no idea where. It's not something that I bought. I have all these tools to carve. Like that. This I bought on Amazon, and I have all these tools here. So I have wooden, I have things that are more flexible, I have balls, so I have things for carving. This I bought on Amazon too. So first, what I do is that I take some aluminum foil and I do a ball with it. This is just to use less clay, and it's going to be easier to cook because polymer clay, you have to cook it in the oven, so that way it doesn't need to cook too much. So this is the polymer clay that I'm using. It's super Sculpey, it's Original. So it says semi-translucent finish, can be carved, sanded and drilled after baking. This is what it looks like inside. So, oops. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need. So first you have to warm it up. So one way to make it more malleable and to help it is to use the roller. You can do that with the rolling machine, it's going to be easier, but it's kind of expensive, so I do this, I fold it, then roll it again. So now it's a little bit more malleable. It's not perfect though. What I do is that I use the warmth of my hands to help it. See, now it's more malleable. Gonna do another round of this. See, now it's more malleable. It's better. It's getting softer. So now what I need to do is I need to make a thin layer so I can put it on my aluminum foil ball. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna need to condition some more. Doing polymer clay is so relaxing. It's like meditation. You're focused on what you're doing. It's one of my favorite things to do. So now I'm gonna use one of my tools. So now I'm going to use my ballpoint to put like a O for the stem. So just like that. And I'm gonna put some clay here. It's not perfect. I have nails right now, so it's not perfect for clay, but I'm managing. Now I can do the stem. Do the lines. So I'm gonna go like that with a little pressure. So now I'm just making sure that the edges of the cuts are not too sharp. So now I'm gonna do all the little lines that are on the pumpkins between the big one. So there's always like a lot of lines. Now I'm gonna put the stem on. Like I said, with the nails, it's kind of difficult because I do not want to make indents with the nails. So I should have cut them before. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven and it's gonna bake, and see after. And now I have to let it dry. Yeah, I didn't think this through. So so now it's dry, so I'm gonna put my second coat. It's not 100% dry, but I have no patience. So. So the pumpkin is almost dry. This is not really drying, but that's okay. There's too much anyway. So I'm just gonna... I don't know why there's a patch here that doesn't want to... Anyway. So I'm gonna do the stem now. So guys, this is the result. So this is my little pumpkin. I'm super proud of it. It was the first time for me doing a pumpkin with polymer clay. So I like this little guy, he's so cute. Next time if I'm doing something like that, I'm gonna try maybe not using foil, just because since I'm doing indentations inside, the foil kind of gets out. Maybe it's my fault, maybe I didn't put enough clay on it, but I'm gonna try maybe without. So I wish you a happy Halloween. Eat candy, watch scary movies, have fun. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to follow me, you can subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit the bell button to get notifications. You can also comment if you want. It's always very appreciated. So that would be nice to hear from you a little bit. And of course, I will see you next time. Bye bye.